Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video how to unlock Alcatel 1066G from UK. As you can see, this phone is requesting for the unlock code. We can also unlock the phones that are not requesting this code or have the counters blocked. In order to unlock it, I'm going to use Furiousgold box and SPD service tool from the pack 2. So let's search for this model here, 1066G. I'm going to click remove SIM lock. Now I'm going to power off the phone. Okay, so in order to connect this phone, we simply need to keep pressed the call key, is this one, and insert the USB cable. It's a different procedure compared to the old SPD phone. So let's press connect. So I'm going to keep pressed the call key as I said and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected. We're going to choose yes as direct unlock, since the unlock by code is not possible. Well, that's it. The phone rebooted, so let's check it. As you can see, we have here a full signal, Vodafone Romania. So this phone got successfully unlocked. Thanks for watching this tutorial, bye bye.